Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Squarespace form email notifications and change form storage. This is incredibly useful if you want to receive instant alerts when someone submits a form on your site, and also keep all your submissions organized in external tools like Google Drive, Zapier, or MailChimp. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. On the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to set up form email notifications and change the form storage. This will take you into that specific site's management area. Once you're inside, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This opens up the site editor where you can make changes to your pages and blocks. After the editor loads, you'll see an edit button, so go ahead and click that as well to fully enter the editing mode. Now it's time to locate your form block. Navigate through your page until you find the form you want to configure. Click directly on the form block. This will highlight it and bring up the block-specific options you need. After selecting the form, you'll notice a pencil icon appear. This is the edit icon. Click on it to open the form settings. Once inside, navigate to the Storage tab. This tab is where all the magic happens regarding where your form submissions go and who gets notified. In the Storage tab, you'll see a section labeled Email Notification. Click on the field just below it and input the email address where you want to receive notifications every time someone submits the form. This ensures you never miss an important submission. Once you've entered your email, click back to return to the previous menu. Next, you can click on Manage Submission. This is the area where your form storage settings are located, giving you full control over how and where your submissions are stored. It's a central hub for organizing all the data collected through your forms. Now look for the section labeled Additional Storage and click on it. Here you'll see options to connect your form to external platforms like Google Drive, Zapier, or MailChimp. These integrations are fantastic for automating your workflow and keeping everything synced across your tools. To connect any of these services, simply click the Connect button next to the platform you want to use. This will open a new tab and direct you to a login page for that specific service. Go ahead and log into your account there. The platform will then authorize the connection and sync your form submissions automatically. Once you've completed the login and authorization process, you'll be brought back to Squarespace. Make sure to click Save to finalize all your changes. This ensures that your email notifications are active and your form data is being stored exactly where you want it. And that's it. You've successfully set up form email notifications and connected additional storage options in Squarespace. Now you'll receive instant alerts and have all your submissions neatly organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.